Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to download Fiverr on Android in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to ensure is that you're either connected to a Wi-Fi or a mobile data network. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, the Wi-Fi icon will appear in your status bar. If you're connected to a mobile data network, then a 4G or 5G icon should appear next to your network status. The other thing that you must do is head over to settings on your device, scroll down to find about phone, scroll down and hit software information, and make sure that your Android version is at least 8.0 or higher. This phone's Android version is Android version 16, so we're good to go. After that, you can simply head over to Play Store through your app drawer search bar, open up Play Store on your device, and then hit search. In the search bar, simply search for Fiverr. You can then hit Go or Enter on your keyboard, and then install the Fiverr app. Make sure that you're logged into your Google account before you try and download any app, else Google Play Store will ask you to log into your Google account, in which you'll have to enter your credentials, log in, and then you'll be able to download the Fiverr app. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.